of you. I think you all know me. Every Sunday you're all seeing me, so you should be knowing.
我相信你们大家都认识这个 Dr. Prabhu，每个星期都有见到他。
Okay, very simple. Why I'm here is even though I'm from a medical background, the water plays a very important role in our life, and I feel this is the only water at present in the market which has 12 different properties which no other water has. Now this is where an advantage, and especially when you're talking to people, it's easy for you to ask them what kind of water are you drinking. And when they say that they are drinking a particular water, you can ask them, I have a water with 12 properties. Does your water have this property? Definitely it won't be there, because most of the water what we all drink will have 1, 2 or 3 or maximum 4 properties. But terahertz has got 12 properties. This is the most beautiful advantage for us, and as a businessman, it's easy for you to talk to them. Now, the most beautiful for me is I'm using an ionized water, especially the acid water, terahertz, and I use it in my clinic. So I use it to clean the wounds. Amazing. It's a very good antifungal, and I have seen fantastic results by using this water. Antifungal treatment is amazing. But in general, if you look at, please do drink this water for good health. It will automatically do everything for you. For me, I'm not really surprised when someone comes here and says, hey, my skin problem went off, my heart problem. I say, I'm not surprised. Why? Because there's only one reason I will tell you. This beautiful body created by God, nobody can see how it works. It's an amazing body. What you need to do is give what it requires. Water is important. You don't eat food also, it's still okay. But if you can give the right property of water to your body, it will heal. It can do wonders. Whether it's diabetes, whether it's blood pressure, whether it's heart problem, everything will be taken care. But there's one very important, that it may be different for different people. For one person, you can see the difference very immediately. For another person, it may take a little longer time. But the benefit, definitely everybody will get. There is no doubt about this water. So you all have to understand that this is an amazing thing. What you're going to help other people on this planet Earth is share the information on water, and definitely everybody can drink this water. There is nothing like this person can drink or that person. Everyone on this planet Earth can drink terahertz water, because it's water. And nobody will die by drinking water, right? It's life, because water basically is life. So in that way, when you're looking at business part also, this is a fantastic opportunity for every one of you to, talk about water. The other, one of the most beautiful benefit is there is no. Oh, you wanted a translate.
OK， 这个太赫子水呢，它有里面呢，它是一个，为什么我说它是一个最好的水呢？因为它里面呢总共有12个很重要的元素。一般上我们市场上见到的所有的水呢，一般上呢都是会有2个或者是3个很重要的元素。但是在我们太赫子水里面呢，我们有12个很重要的元素。如果说你们大家要知道到底是什么东西这么重要的话，希望大家每个星期能够加入 Dr. Prabhu 的那个 Zoom meeting， 在里面他会告诉你这个水有什么样的一个好处。同时呢，他今天呢，他不觉得意外，说看到有一些人，为什么你们的 testimony 里面呢，说很多人呢，我的糖尿病好了，我的皮肤好了，甚至于我的心脏情况好了，这个主要呢，都是因为这个水呢在发挥它的作用。水呢，大家都知道对人体是很重要的，但是呢，这个太赫子水呢，就是有它的不同的得到之处。
Because for me, continuously talking is more easier than waiting for a translator. But anyway, at the end of the day, what I would definitely let you all know is this is something amazing, and definitely we all should share this information with everyone whoever comes across you. And in that way, I'm very happy. And the most beautiful part is wonderful people like our Frankie, then our Eddie down there. Where is our leader? Our George down there. Now, this is something very beautiful. Even though my background is I'm an Indian, but still what I feel is We are all beautiful souls on this planet Earth. We have come on a purpose. Our job is to share the beautiful knowledge and work on this planet Earth to see to that everybody becomes more healthier. This is what we all want to. So thank you very much, Frankie, and love you. This is a beautiful opportunity for me to share this platform with you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. 我们跟 Prabhu 呢觉得很荣幸呢，因为呢他有机会呢跟所有大家人一起来参与这个这样的一个事业。
OK， 我们首先的话呢，要很感谢我们的。